So this is UDON THANI. I'm at almost 4 minutes, I think. So I don't want to have my video too long, but I'll just kind of go down this street. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Hey, this is UDON THANI. We're just gonna walk around a little bit. Massage place. This is UDON THANI, northern Thailand. Not too far from Vientiane. That's the beer promotion stuff here. So we're just gonna walk down some of the main streets. Let's see, this is a pretty cool little city actually. It's really easy to, right from the bus station, there's a large mall that's right there within a few minutes walk. And then you have all these hotels and a bunch of bars. So as far as convenience wise, it's pretty amazing actually. Hello. I think they're gonna say some food is there. So okay, it's kind of a cool space. A lot of foreigners around. Smiling frogs. Hello. Massage places. Hello. Hello. So yeah, looks like a market down here. Just gonna walk around. I got a camera, so food grab. There's a market down there. Kind of getting out right at right when the sun's gonna start to go down. Yeah, actually this is a really pleasant place. There's a bar street around here too, street of bars. I don't know if it's up a little bit further. There's also some marketplaces over here too. Yeah, since I'm here I might as well walk through it. So we're gonna try to get through this right here. Go across. Yeah, we have a marketplace. A lot of good food here. You can tell already. It smells good anyways. Bananas. Over here we have clothing. I was looking for some shorts. I don't know if I'll look with them with the camera though. I should just stay on course and keep exploring. Some meat. So there's quite a few things in this area. More shopping. Okay. So this is UDON THANI. I'm at almost 4 minutes, I think. So I don't want to have my video too long, but I'll just kind of go down this street. Pretty cool sunglasses. Leather. A lot of good stuff here. I think that's the street that I was, I don't know, we'll see. Puppies. Okay. I guess I'm gonna pause right here. It's Bangkok Hospital, 7-Eleven. And I think this will be the introduction to UDON Thani. And I'll kind of walk around. There's a railway station right there, so okay.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.